So we're starting this one off on Brian's Crescent, you see me? Maypen Town, Grand Market Day. And me I tell her say, not in place a park you can't find. Grand Market Day. So you know we just a walk through. I will go see the natural happenings today in Jamaica. Tell you what, we are going to just go down Main Street since me the right so, and then we're going to make a U-turn and forward up to all of the festivities in the town. Because me don't want to skip out nothing. You understand? And me don't want to double up on the walk. So let me say this, please may I ask you if you start watching the video and you're not yet like the video, please may I beg you, like the video. Please like the video so you don't know YouTube can recommend the video to more people who actually, you know, love these type of video, walking videos showing the natural vibe in a Jamaica in our time scene. Please may I ask if you like the video, we can run this one to 5,000 likes quick and fast. Maypen Town. So we're currently on Main Street and we'll try to do that one as slow and take a look at time and go through it. See? Yeah. So remember you can comment. You can comment 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. So we are heading at the Guinea Tree area, the Guinea Tree side, you know. So we'll head down this side in this direction. I will make a U-turn on the other side and forward up. You see me? Yeah. So we are going the opposite way of the clock. bananas. Right. Alright, so I'm just in one show now, a little bit around and stuff. Yeah. Big up to Mr. Dyer, you know what I mean? When it comes on to land. Severe as report and everything there. Yeah man, link up Mr. with the Dyer right around the same there. It's for them office. Get to evaluate the place and all of them things there, you see? Alright, so make we go through. As me say, it's a festive day in Mapen, like the most festive I've ever seen it in a very long time. You get me? But I'm not going to festivities yet because I want to show some of my people them have been asked me about these sides. So you see me, can't do the same thing in every video. I have to try to get some of the place them where people now get to see. You understand? Like even around us, so you know how long when I walk around here, so showing you what I go on today. Hardware store and thing. No, me not traveling, no me teacher.
brother. So you no come part time?
No, I'm not traveling no boss.
Man like Mario.
So we now go too far, man. See me I go cross the road down there so a little bit, you see me? So let's go. Nice the country in Jamaica, you have to know that, you understand? Everywhere you go in Jamaica, you're going to be hearing some music I play, some Berries Aman, some Bovada, some Cartel, some reggae dancehall, trap dancehall. Everywhere you go in Jamaica, it's like you can't run from it. So you know you have to deal with it. You can't stay one place when it comes and take copyright, so we have to move through, you see me? See again? So right now, we are passing to our next store where you know say, pop music I play. Pop music, Christmas. No, this is a Christmas pop. Welcome to Jamaica. So we're just gonna stop it down here so by the juicy patties. I'm gonna cross the road. I'm gonna head up back into the town, make you can see the place the real way, the right way. See? So yeah, right at the juicy patties. Make we cross now and touch out the road again. So let's go back up into the place. Big up to Mr. Joe Kitchen, same speed. You know we go. We can come again. them nice. I know. Oh yeah. No, we not work with the copyright, them done at all. With them people here. No copyright, can't work with it today. Take too much time to deal with the Zimmy. Jaja no. So we could just move through fast from it. Can't work with it at all. Alright, you don't know it's all about timeless. So one of the store them where you can get everything. Yes, I want to store them where you can get everything. Timeless. No joke. Shoes, pants, everything. Check timeless. We can't even steer, so can't do the copyright, right? So let's move through. That's my own. Yeah. know, I carry my daughter up there, so the other day it was really nice. So it's a kids place recently opened. You understand? It's called Happiness Gaming Lounge. Oh, a nice place, nice. Fire. Yo, first man, nice.
School like you know, did it?
I don't want to park in, I don't want to glance on the right, there's a couple empty spot over there. Y'all know a star, Jamaican and the music. Jesus, I love it bad. Bargain village. Everywhere pack up. But I don't know, we just a scroll through. Like heap of talking or nothing. Loads of food.
What is the lava lava? You know what's the thing go? Straight. Father go, I want to God.
Alright, and oh Godfather. You know, me I go now look inside of the place. So. See me I say? Yeah. All square. You know what I see in there? I'm showing you there. But maybe music I play loud in there that me can't do. Yeah, music I play in there. It's good for showing you what inside there look like. A bunch of things in there, brother. Basically everything where you think you would want for your house. Yeah.
Welcome some classical tune, boy.
Yes.
I love this song, man. Happy Christmas. I should say Merry Christmas. What a day like today. Ladies and the class, good day to you, man.
This is class. Big up everything good. Yo, son,
I'm going to turn you into another Santa Claus, man. Can I do that?
We're not each place. I have to come out and copyright them. Yeah.
of them in our back, 300. All time, stack body. 100 back.
I'm gonna go show you this real fast, cause you know me not play that copyright business. That way Jamaica is too nice, man. Everywhere. We just have these BM music. So why we not work? Watch out, 1 foot man out there said, I find sitting gig. 1 foot man also, you know we have to bless him. All that small thing here. If you have 1 foot on your work, let me chop, go do myself, yeah. You know that's bad. 1 foot him up and him at work, I have to palm him.
Yeah, man, just check in right now for the jeans and right now, right, yes, so check in. Check in for the jeans and right, yes, so check in. Check in for the jeans and lady. Check in, no man, I want on it. Check in, no man.
Start music, you know. Alright, remember just showing the back which part we skip out right at Bargain Village front.
Yeah man, check in right now. We have the jeans and G-shot.
I'm just showing you which one I did skip out a while ago when I go through the plaza. Just showing you the front of our bargain with it. Jamaica, what by? Are you busy with it? No, Dali. Oh, no, it's just a same for this beautiful lady, you know? Yeah. Alright, big up yourself. If you're in Jamaica, walk by here. Huh? Oh. Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. She said, Anna Dali, my name, and give me a real name. Big up yourself. Watch it. Going to one car, you know. Alright, so these are the part that when I cut out and I can switch up the back again. Right? Alright, good. So, try my best to not cut out nothing. So, I see what I go on now. Switch up my day, you know. So, up there so, was where I went through. Alright, so we're back on track. Back one track. That job, music everywhere. So it's a Young's Plaza. Boss, you're back on it again, man.
again.
Elbow bungster, man. You don't know when I spot this of the jerk chicken and the fry, you know. Remember me tell you. Yeah. No joke. Is it till a morning?
Till a morning.
Till a morning.
Till a morning.
That is it, my bro. Yeah. How much ready chicken already? No joke, no. No man, just take one and bring the money on it. And it comes, so we see how much feed. Yeah, big up and thanks, yeah? So this is how we're doing it in May Pen. Look good catch it. Look good. Juicy. Oh God, man, that's so jerky look. Yeah. So man, see, this is one of my spots. More time I May Pen, alright, that's when I come and go get some food to eat. And all of the good things them. And every year when time I forward me always video him and all them things, I make him see what I go on. Is it?
Right.
Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Right at Young's parking lot, right at the front. You see me? Can't miss him. Look good.
The good chicken.
Look good. Yeah. Figure that, big up yourself and respect and keep safe. See? That is it. Yeah, almost every year him the writer so just video the thing. You see me? And me just come and buy my jerk chicken there so. You have a few spots that I support and forward to when it comes on to jerk chicken still, is it? Yeah, because I now go around and the May Pen man them can jerk chicken. Now whole heap of seasoning. So this is the Young's Pharmacy parking lot. Center camera is the Young Pharmacy, very popular pharmacy here in Jamaica, here in May Pen town, Clarendon, is it? Yeah, let's go. So this is just a sort of vibe walking through May Pen town, Grand Market Day. See? Yeah, nice vibe, nice everything. You know, some music I play, so let's just take our little time and get out of here, cause you know we're not going to work with the copyright and all of them good things. You see me I say? Yeah, no joke, no doubt, you see? So let's do this. Let's go. So we're almost an hour in the video, you know what I mean? So let's do it. Alright, so each and every year them open up over where the old police station used to be, which is center camera. So we'll just take a look at scroll, go over there, make a can give you see what it looks like. See? Yeah, cause we don't want to skip out nothing, so let's do it like this. Alright, so we'll go over there. Every year over here is a festive. Got the rent out over here for sellers, you know.
Where you going with that? You are going black food?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by this, you see?
By that.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, to see that. Where you shop?
We are say, hey, alright, guess what? I'm not going to give you a piece of them, man. Go come out of the music and go up in high place. Yeah. All right. That is it. We're outside. Alright, you don't know massive. So we're there in Maypen town. I was there with the bad artists. Alright. Yeah, over here, so. Alright, you know me rate, you know, me like how you bowl, because you see camera and you say rodo-dubs, you know, joke with the media, so music. Straight up. Show the man name.
Destroy the world liar, man.
Destroy?
Destroyer, the world liar.
Oh, Destroyer, the world liar.
Talk, make every artist free. I'm a free cartel, I'm a free butcher banter. Look for me, God. Destroy the world liar. Some me talk for them kills.
That is it.
Alright.
So we're there in Maypen town and how the vibe in Maypen now?
I mean, I tell you, the artist vibe that you the artist vibe.
We say
Right
a good
now.
crowd for a week.
Whole
I
of
realize
Jamaica.
that the crowd come out for a week.
I'm here playing this in Amidst Street this year.
That
That's what
is it.
destroy the world liar. For me town, for me at the heartbeat for the people them.
Figure that right now we see all a beat a special. Where you go?
I can't party, you know, because you know, little more me and mama go.
Ah, go worry. Alright, so you don't know.
Yeah.
Destroyer.
Yes,
Give
sir.
me a little piece out
Oh,
that
yeah,
vocals, man.
You be have a no thing for DJ Teddy to him. I'm a number one girl. Yes, I gonna marry you. Marry you. I'm a number one girl. Yes, I gonna marry you. Marry you. I will be the man, girl. Whoa, whoa, the DJ Teddy one that. But look here now. We are sitting for the world to and we're not joking music.
No joke, no
I
doubt.
want a name. Some of the youth them can't read, them can't write, them can't spell. Out of your school where them get expelled. You know see they get a youth them coming from hell. Down in the ghetto and no lie me a tell. And the AK shot them ringing like the bell. I destroy all the truth become to tell. Enough go freak out, enough go turn in a bell. Enough God and no kingston. Where you can sell? From the ghetto youth them out of the prison cell. Mama got a liquor stall for morning. None should a sell. Born politician be a lie. Them a tell me a for Richard Chelsea. I'm the one named Farrell. See me a bush and a jokes me a sell. But now see man with them not even spell. Whoa, whoa, destroy the world liar.
Heavy.
Yeah.
Madam, but destroyer the world.
Yes, man, that's the corner there. So pass through the corner, man. You know,
Yeah, you don't know anything already, man. No joke, no doubt.
Okay, man, you hear them name, man. Big
So
up
what you
Purple
know?
like DJ Blacks.
That me just tell us say
Alright.
if big them up.
Yes, man, I'm big up Marky.
Yeah.
I say, big up Mora Mandela. Say me, I say, my daughter, same way.
Figure
Say
that.
me, I talk about.
So for all the music them now, see where them find up on YouTube and on social media. Destroyer.
Just type in Destroy the World Liar. Anyway you type in it.
You find
Cause
it.
someone I use some Destroyer, but me type in Destroyer the World Liar. And you get everything. Remember me have an album out, and me have an EP. I remember this to big up DJ Teddy. I ever put me set it straight. Big up Tiger, my brother from England, New Money Empire.
Yeah.
So me I say,
Madam
so
Bad.
me I say, I'm big up everybody in the world. Big up all of me a pen.
See
Destroy
that?
the World Liar.
Destroyer the world liar.
Whoa, whoa.
Bumba!
World TV.
Madam Bad, what destroyer? When they talk about energy, no joke, no, destroyer the world liar. You understand? Right on Main Street, man, they are going to kick it and a beat a special. See it? Yeah. Destroyer the world liar. What a talk. As we continue the show, you know what I mean? Big up and respect. And when they're over the Big Bad Plaza, see? The food court plaza, you understand? Yeah. Destroyer, world liar. Check him out on our social media platform. YouTube, Spotify, I'm same thing them on everywhere. Also have an album and them thing they're out. And all of the great things them. You see me? No joke, no doubt. We just a pass through. Come show me teacher. Make him get here.
500 t-shirt. T-shirts at 500. T-shirt at 500.
Alright, I'm going to take a look at one walk through the plaza and forward back on the other side. Now we are going on a nice little tour today. Man, I see, I don't know, police records office. Oh, look. Usually I walk straight through, but yeah. Just a smart stroll through. Just a give a tip off of everything, you see me? Yeah.
T-shirt at 500. T-shirt at 500. T-shirt at 500. T-shirt at 500. Where you are look? We are bargaining for T-shirt at 500. $500 get a T-shirt.
T-shirt at 500.
Any T-shirt at 500. Any T-shirt at 500. Any T-shirt at 500. 500 get a T-shirt. 500 get a T-shirt. T-shirt at 500. Gather no people. Gather rock and come over. T-shirt of 500, T-shirt of 500. T-shirt of 500, where y'all look 500 I get the T-shirt, 500 I get the T-shirt. T-shirt of 500, T-shirt of 500. T-shirt of 500, 500 I get the T-shirt. Them one are nice, where y'all look 500. Them one are hot, where y'all look 500. Them one are slick, where y'all look 500. T-shirt, $500. $500 I get a T-shirt. $500 I get a T-shirt. T-shirt of 500. T-shirt of 500. T-shirt of 500. T-shirt of 500. $500 I get a T-shirt. $500 I get a T-shirt. T-shirt of 500. T-shirt of 500.
Them man every boss, them man hungry feed. Destroyer. We're liar. Destroyer. We're liar. Respect Jamaica walk by here.
Let me say that, man.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica walk by here.
Fast so we can move out of the copyright here.
Fast, you ready?
Yeah, man.
Jamaica walk by international TV. Check it out. This try the world liar. So me I say, girl, whatever you want from me, whatever you need.
That is it. Jamaica walk by. What the artist name? No, man. Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
What's your name from Jamaica? They know Jeremy Jamaica represent for Jamaica walk by. Make it a date. Watch your man. Yo, top chopper. Walk one, head banger. No man they up on the line a deal with the proper food if you eat. You know we not saga plus the dogs up on this game. One piece of grabber. Me up in Clarendon.
That is
any
it.
other than I must done have fun. No pussy test. Hear that?
Man,
I'm out.
bad. What my name again?
JR Image man. No pussy.
JR Image.
Yeah.
Madam bad outside. Social media platform to right?
Social media. Yo, caution. Well, you're so rich as a newbie. No comments. Paparazzi, excuse me. Never me choose. Chopping, chose me. Caution. Roll out the bug. Pump, nap, stop, duffel bug. You are real rich bug. Roll out the Mercedes bug. Run a bug. Roll out the Benz and the Beamer. White teeth in a make tail top.
Easy. They are image. We are some forward. Forward, Masha. Forward. Right, that's
Gun market.
Yeah.
You know what's up here nice? It's called big and bright in Jamaica and the world. I'll get on with the red. Yes. Say that me know a little boy by the name of Willie Red. He never stopped talking till the full him up of lead. His mother started to ball, put her and span her and till one Sunday. So just shoot Willie Red. Yes, because he roamed the streets every day and every night. He learned how to steal and he learned how to fight. One night when it was out of sight, when he buy a gun and he thief a car, he hold up a bar and he tried to reach far, but he never reached far. So just shoot him. Junior Marshall.
Can't tell you know what the
Clarendon.
What am I name?
Happy New Year, Junior Marshall.
Big God, Dad.
Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas when it comes.
Man, Sharpie, I said just every day. Big up every time. Hey, Junior Marshall, man. Easy, all is well. Up, man. JR Image. That is it. They don't know. Destroyer the world liar. Madam bad. Outside. We don't want to take the walk copyright for it. You see me? Respect manners. Jamaica walk by, hear that? Yeah, man. Jamaica walk by. Me have a number there too. For all of my platforms, I put the number there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Jamaica walk by. One link, man. Junior Marshall. Outside.
Yes, man.
Madam bad. Kid.
Always.
That is it. Outside. You know music turn up, so we have to take time move. Madam bad. Junior Marshall. Destroyer the world liar. JR Image. Big up and respect me teacher. Outside, me a pen. Yeah, big up to the artists that we represent, you know what I mean? I hope say, me not get no copyright this or nothing like that, you know, God believe me. So Main Street. All of them places are loud tonight. Tell her. Super mix song. Super mix. Run us so loud tonight. Yeah. But say no, say me nice to say you. Me there's a penetrate this and watch what go on now. Cause we are doing. Cause we are doing. Don't get there now. Yeah. That's just it. Now pass, is it? Super mix on Stark Street, come on. On a different vibe today. Jogging off the guan. Let's go, let's go. As I said, Jamaica is a nice country, so you know every corner you go up and you go here, be a music I play, but we have to just take time and hold it same way and go through. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, let's do this. Cause we have to move fast so that I copyright them same way. Can't do it. Reverse and take it slant here. Kinda you go forward now, whole like here. Yeah. Me know me a voice, you know. Me know me a voice, you know. Oh, go on, brother, all this one. No long did I see you. Yeah, I don't. Me just see you on a bike for years now, bro. See I do a lot this? That's it. Big up and respect it. The outside I go and do some job. That be the right there now. I do some Jamaica walk by, you know what I mean? I show them say. I know, we don't have to tell them, right up on the way chap now. Blessings. I hear what big Christmas. Safety on the road. Key thing that. Stay away from all of them look up people there, you know? Respect. Like that. Yo! I mean, I tell you, say, no people will look at this and I don't think it's easy. I'll be like, people we probably not watching, you know. But much I see today, see this? A goal. Imagine 50 years from now, bro. All if a skyscraper from car driving in the sky and base, I'm going to say, yo, people use the really giant car on the ground. Like, they're not afraid. So, at that time, I say, yo, a man might have seen me more time. I know me from a long time as a singer, and I say, yo, dog, I walk, and he just a great about it. You see me, bro. Big up our respect, you hear that? That is it. Yo. Yeah. Go through the teacher. Oh yeah, massive Jamaican town. Yeah, it's a great vibe. But I say, people will look on them something and be like, yo, nobody now go watch this. Or people, you might be surprised, you know what I mean? I was too, but never like overly because at the end of the day, I know the importance of when I want from Jamaica walk by and when I do, you understand? So yeah, when it forward through Stark Street, big up to Jamaica in 10 to video the clock here. Make you can know the history about the clock in Jamaican town. So check out Jamaica in 10. See? Yeah, we're right back at the clock. But I know music a beat, so I don't want to stay here so too long because of copyright. But yeah, we're the center of Jamaican town now. So I say, no joke, no doubt. Grand Market there, Stark Street, full up, 10 on the 2 side, no joke, no doubt. Oh yeah, let's move through. Think them would have opened a new supermarket there, but nah, I cannot make it till Christmas. What? Yeah. Music everywhere, brother. Swear. Can't get to do a good one. Music everywhere. Hold on. Different spot. Swear. Go to taxi stand, man. I say, I don't have to walk out one town and show everything that's going to take a decade. I tell them. everything.
That be a racetrack ready. Walk on racetrack.
Let's go. I say, I keep I repeat myself, Jamaica is a nice country. So music I go up here everywhere. So I have to try my best to try get rid of the copyright them. Move fast or probably try talk over it. So we can do some form of quality control as we go through. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. So right across from the Jamaican tax office. You understand? Yeah. So I can get to see how the place look. The place is a festive vibe today. No joke, no doubt. Everybody will have vibe. As I said, music like what we play, you don't even know where to go where you can probably get a good liquor walk through. Alright, so we can go through, yes sir. Tax office. So you know the tax office lock here now. Hear that? Tax office send a block from 1 o'clock today. So if forward right now, nothing can go on for you. Nothing at all. Let's go. Can't run for the music star, swear. Music like whoa, I can go through. Let's go, I can move through fast. Fast.
Sorry.
A good man. Traffic in the boss. Sorry for the body of traffic. Walk foot, car. May I tell you that? Go through my teacher.
Matter 5 bills. She said them.
My cat man, them say rough. Traffic. Big up our respect, listen. What move me there? Huh? What move me? Should I come today? Yeah, Lord. Oh, yeah, that's it. Me. Jogging and going. So, Lexi, tell us something forward. That's it. Yeah. Oh, you see them since morning? Ah. That's it, over me. Sing out. You see me buying a chair, Joe. Oh, Jesus. I don't have no more change, you know. Father God. Can't touch it. Yeah.
Then I know what's around here. Then I know what's around.
Are them the people that make... Lisa, them the people that give me money. Yeah. 1 foot man. Is it my sister? They're sick and they still at work. I love give them people that my money. I will never have more try it I know. But I still try to give them. Yeah, man. Alright. Big up yourself. You know, big up Mama Jenny.
Don't see. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. From your sister. Hello. Big up this is my friend. We're in the market selling and everything. Big up yourself, niece. Big up yourself, big up yourself, Winnie. Big up yourself.
Outside, it's all about vibe in the market, grub provision, they don't know. All I massive them from Moko. I eat bad, we outside. Big up yourself, hear that? Take it easy, yeah.
What's your name, man?
Jamaica walk by.
What you know? What you real name?
Fabian, my name.
You don't know video with Tracy them and Clarendon.
Oh, not yet. Not yet. No. Few times. We can check them out, but me not heard of them say, but we can check them out.
Yeah, man.
You know, watch them on YouTube?
Yes, man. They always do the youth we catch crab and bird and...
Oh, but me know spear fishing, and me also know Jamaica hidden beauty. Yeah. Big up yourself. So they are making. And one thing with them doing, they're smart, you know, you give them all a piece of paper money. Then just take out the paper money, put in a them bag, and then drop all two little silver in a cup. It look like nothing now go on, boy. Always look like nothing now go on to them. Alright, so not much Igla come out for Grand Market Day because you don't know Saturday gone. Remember say Saturday gone, all of them out as sudden. It's more like a easy type of vibe, you know? Especially innocent.
Oh, you're finna turn your hat.
Can't grow this on my boss. Grow nice saving pan. Yeah, man, believe, man. I'm not busy with no man thing. Once me see silver them a ground, me I take them up. Me not have no pride when it comes down to money. From the money the day I mean I have to go do nothing funny. For the money, me I take it up off of the ground. You see me? Cause me have some saving pan there where me are full enough. Cause the situation have a machine now where you can just bring your pan and you just empty it in the silver in the kind machine and it give you paper money. Me don't want no more than that. Me not see no dollar, no 20, no 10, no $5 go and walk past it like me bossy. Me not pass it. Me not pass it go. No sir. Sir. Anybody want pass the money, me not pass it. Yeah. It's all about the Maple market. Mom, oh, mom there. Oh, there's mom, come on. I'm gonna video you, the boss. I said, yeah, video me. What that? Oh, where mom there? Oh, mom there. Oh, where mom gone? Mom gone left the stall. Mom gone left the stall. I look for mom. Tell Jennifer some stuff for ELR up, you know. No, not right now. Yeah. Look who more do. Big up all massive from Moko. Lisi. Watch out, go silver. Can't grow this on my church sister. You get no fine eye pan. People might have see it weird. That's me I give away money to less fortunate, but yet still me now pass money I grow. Maybe that's why I still have a little. And God always bless me. Big up to my subscriber, them I always support Jamaica walk by too. And thanks to every single donation I want to send to. You see me? So, you don't know before me even done the video. I want to big up to Miss Kadeen Sterling. Big up to Miss Kadeen Sterling. I don't know. Big up to Damien Sutherland every time. Damien, big up yourself. In England, in the European side. You don't know. Big up to Freedom Earners TV. Freedom Earners TV. Blessings and respect always in all aspects. You see me? Freedom Earners TV. Big up to everybody who actually donate to the channel. You know what I mean? If you don't hear me call your name, you're no less important. You see me? Just believe that. I tell no lies. Big up to all of my YouTube. Remember them too. Come through, moment. Oh. Yeah. So I say big up to all my YouTube members and everyone who actually like the video, everybody who actually leave a comment right now.
Yeah, smell good.
Super appreciate it. Continue watch all of the videos. Go down my yeah. So it's all about blessings. Wish safety for everybody out there in the street. Go through this. Yeah. So to everybody who out there in the street, just want to say, keep safe. You know what I mean? If anything we never get last year, please make sure you get it this year area. And if you don't get it this year area, don't give up on next year. You hear me? We're ready again. No joke, no doubt. Let's do this. The journey continue. We're not done yet. So I just take a time out to big up all of my YouTube subscriber them. All the person that we always support Jamaica walk by. All the people them we pay for membership to for them on the channel. You don't know, one love and blessings to all of you. You understand? Big up to Robert. Big up to 10th floor, my general. Over there in America. Big up to my Canada massive. All of my people them from Europe, all of my people them where they are England, we support Jamaica walk by. Big up and respect.
Yeah, right, a young man fashion a man.
Now look, we see you say everything Irish.
Yeah.
Yeah, the shop.
Yeah.
Yo, sounds great. Now why you there? Kaka fast. Yeah. So, one moment. Oh, that is your brother. Yeah, man. I'm going to take it easy here, teacher. So Jamaica walk by me, I'm going to show them what go on in Jamaica, in a Maypen town. You see me? Man, the cockle. Yeah, Maypen town, Maypen. Big up to my local cousin, you see me? All like Colbert massive. How are you? I am fine. So let's go. Maypen town. If you don't love that one, please, me I beg you now. Comment and now. Drop some like. Let's go.
$500 just
Go. Yeah. Oh, yo. Main Street. So we are head back in the town. So thank you so much for watching. To everybody, I hope you enjoy the video. Please, I beg gonna continue watch my other videos them. You know what I mean? Please join the premiere when the video them a drop. You know, so we can chat in the chat section. And you can be the first to actually drop some comment on the video. You know what I mean? Help get it to reach more and more people right across the globe. You see? Blessings and respect. I just still walk through. Bomba Branston fashion outside in the town. What a coincidence you walk up in here, eh? I didn't know say I touch out.
Yeah, bro, it's from morning, me be a delivery, bro.
Say,
go back and wall out,
oh yeah, man I did be a delivery. So massive if you don't know him, check out him online store, Branston.fashion. No sir? Yeah. Branston.fashion. So that time Instagram name. Look a brother. You understand? Yeah, so where say somebody deliver this?
Yeah.
Mad, one way in this you don't have to take them out.
No, two shirt and a hat.
2 shirt and a hat. Yeah, so when you want the genuine, the real fashion them, you know what I mean? Yeah, just link Branston Fashion on Instagram, Branston.fashion. The Branston spelled with a Z, you hear? Not a S, a Z. See? Yeah. And you don't know, you get your thing delivered to your foot with a little small cost. So you don't have to come out in other congestion. So you don't have to come out and sweat up yourself. So you don't have to raise. You see me I say? No joke. You see me? So we're outside, massive, no doubt, no joke. So Branston, at that side, I'm going to go to, you know. Yeah, I'm going to go to the old harbour side still, but I'm not sure if everybody ready. So I'm head down to the vehicle, you know, before I close the video. You see me I say? No joke. Easier for you to do that still. Because straight to Kingston, you're going to reach. Yeah, man. So one more time, Branston Fashion. See? That is it, look up, bro. Look up more, see? So I don't know me look a brother by now. I mean, I'm always a walk, you know, and I go and go through because I don't know what I do in business where sell clothes and all of them good things there. Online from Instagram, Branston Fashion. So all I massive them boy know about Branston. I'm begging to go over to him Instagram and give him a follow there. You'll see him link in the description. Big up and love here. Me a pass through. Me never show what me a catch it. I just go and catch it on the whole vibe, the whole thing. You know what I mean? You outside and you selling me? Yes. Oh my word. This is a ear-to-ear thing for your first year. Ear-to-ear. Right in a Maple town. So you can bring out all of your kids them. Look at you there. Right in the heart of Maple. Try to see the overhead thing there. Yeah, right as such there. So you can give her a support. No joke, no doubt. Every year. Yeah, man. They say store now have no door. You hear the store now have no door. You just walk in and get what you need. Yeah. Big up yourself here and take it easy, alright? One love. That is it. Me a pen town.
right now. We have a t-shirt and yo. Big up, man, big up. Check it by the line right now.
We now look for the shit.
Check it by the jeans and right down here. The jeans and there, no, the jeans and there. Check it right now.
Yeah, Grand Market Day, Maypen, big up on yourself. There was a nice sweet walkthrough, one love, no joke, no doubt. Figure that? Mad respect.